Hello and welcome to my YouTube video. I'd like to welcome back the amazing Leanne Oswin makeup. And basically today we're doing a little bit of a cheeky eye tutorial on the latest looks for 2018 for autumn winter for eyes. So kind of keeping with the base, keeping with the nude lips and just having some different looks with eyeshadow, something that I'm really not very good at myself. So it'd be really nice to learn some hints and tricks from Leanne.
Yeah, have a play with colour.
Absolutely, so I hope you enjoy it.
I'm using the one of the Mac palettes where you buy them all together. So as a pro you can buy the palette and then individually place them in as you buy them. But this one came already made up and it's beautiful because it's really easy to guide your way around. So I'm just taking this golder tone out of it. This is the warm neutral palette. And you get 15 eyeshadows and they're really easy colours to use as well. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually warm up the eye look with the gold around the outside first. Okay, so I'm just using the brush to go into the socket and it just moulds. So we've got the liner on there already, which is from the pot that we used in a previous video, which was the gel pot. So when we're doing that day to evening, so just open for me, and you can see already just that colour alone just looks fabulous. So I'm going back in with the black and close for me, and we're going to do that really smoky look again. I'm going to use a little bit of green. Now you can just close for me. You can pretty much use any green that you want to use. You don't have to stick to this one, so it could be a much lighter shade of khaki if you wanted to, so you can really deepen it. This is a Mac pigment, which is amazing. So you can actually buy these this size, and they're about £6 or £8. They're not expensive anyway, or you can buy the giant size ones, but these last so long. If you can buy them in the small size, buy them in the small size. Christmas time they can do like packs of them as well. That's really good. What I'm doing is just layering this one into the middle. And you can make the outside more orange if you want to, you know, if you feel like you just need to dip in there a little bit more.
So this is the finished look, and we've gone for the khaki eye, which is something I would never have chosen, but obviously khaki is a really big trend this season. It's going to go with all the browns, the animal prints, everything that's around fashion wise, so your eyes are going to complement it.
Yep, absolutely perfect. Couldn't have said it better myself. This is going to be huge this season. I think you've probably already seen it kind of filtering through, but again it's going back to the thing of pushing yourself out of your comfort zone to just try it, because it isn't something that you would have originally tried, would you? And you know, we've done it, we've put it together, but what we've done with Cleo, what a really good idea is to just put that gold or that warm colour, you can even use your bronzer if you want to, just behind it before you put the khaki on. It's perfect, and it'll take you through party season. You can wear it
absolutely,
pretty much anything.
Yeah, and my nude lip.
And she got the nude lip.
Yeah. What products did you use mostly?
Yeah, so I mean, another thing that I wanted to say is that I may have used these ones, but play around with your green. Have a go. You know, it's just fun. you'll be your own expert with it. Find a green that you really love and just have a play with it. This one is one from Bobbi Brown, which is called Balsam. I love this because it goes with so many people. When you're trying to come up with that khaki shade, a good idea is to go for a green that's got that olive tone to it, and when you're blending it with a black liner and with warm tones, it looks perfect with that and comes out slightly more khaki. But this is beautiful. This is a MAC pigment and this is called Golden Olive, and you can buy these tiny sizes now. You didn't used to be able to. They used to have to be something that you would have at Christmas time, like I was saying when the sets came out. But now you can actually get these on their own individually.
I really hope you've enjoyed these slightly different YouTube videos collaborating with Leanne. So if you've enjoyed it, let me know, and we shall definitely endeavour to film some more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Bye.